We're here at the Centre de Développement du Porc du Québec, or the Quebec Swine Development Center. And this is a newly built barn. It's a sow barn, with 600 sows. And it's a development center and a training center also for the industry of the swine in Quebec. The goal of the project here to install a composter is, well, it's too bad, but life, where there's life, there's death. So in a barn like this here, there's some animals that will die, and we need to manage those mortalities. There's 4 different methods recognized in Quebec. Incineration, where we would use some gas and burn it. There would be burying, which is today with the new norms in environment and all the water and all that, which is not recommended or not desired. There's the renderer that would come from farm to farm with the neighbors' mortalities. We want to avoid that traffic on the farm. And there's composting. So this way that we're in a closed loop where we avoid traffic or the risk of bringing disease from the neighbors and increase biosecurity. When it was decided to go with investor composting, it was decided to go indoors. So this would be a better environment for the employees, and also better protection against the elements, the weather and all that. And this way also, it's organized so with one person you can bring the animal near the composter and load it directly in the machine without using a tractor or another equipment. And not going outdoors allows to do that all in one step. Makes it a lot more efficient and safe. One of the reasons why we want a composter is to increase biosecurity. So the farm and all the corridors and the loading to the composter needs to be in a secure or a clean zone. The animal will come in from the farm on a platform, it'll fall on a scissor lift, and then from the scissor lift dumped into the composter without tractors, without other means of transfer. So this way we have that clean zone, we're dropping into the gray zone, and we want to respect that clean zone. We installed the composter here inside the building, indoors, so we need to manage, if required, odors or vapors or whatever coming out of the composter or other elements. Underneath, at the output of the composter, there's a screen. The screen is meant to remove bones or pieces that would not have composted, so we can reintroduce them into the composter. And the good compost falls into those bags here, bulk bags, that are specially designed to compost. There's some slots there to let the oxygens go in and out, so we don't create anaerobic conditions. And in there, the compost, if it's not quite cured, will finish curing inside in an environment where it'll be protecting also the leachate. So in terms of for the environment, which is something that we would want to do, absolutely. At the beginning of the process of the installation of this composter, it was one of the requirements was to be able to follow up remotely what's happening here. So with a cellular phone, a tablet, or with a computer from a distance area, be able to monitor the temperatures, the motors, and what's happening on the system. So this composter is equipped with an intelligent panel to be able to communicate with it.